Hello everybody, Chewy here, and today is the fourth and final day that we will be working with cucumbers, and we will be making a refrigerated dill pickle. So what you're going to need is water, vinegar, cucumbers, sugar, salt, dill, and garlic. So we'll put the cucumbers over there because we don't need them right now. So what you need to do is be prepared, which I am not. Again, is you need 5/8 of a cup of vinegar. Which is 10 tablespoons. So go up to record measuring cup to the half cup marker, and then add 2 more tablespoons, and that'll give you your 5/8 of a cup. And you can put it in the pot. Then you need 1 3/4 cups water. I use bottled water because I don't like the water out here in Arizona. And we can dump that in. And basically what you're making is you're making a pickle with brine for your pickles. I need 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. And I need, sorry, I don't have this down by heart. I don't have a teleprompter. And you need the same amount of salt. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your stove top, and you're going to wait for it to boil. So turn it here. We'll turn it on medium heat, and then it says glass container. I don't have a glass container big enough. So, and I did cut my pickles into spears for these. You don't have to. You can cut them into chips. So take your pickle spears, and you're going to put them in your Rubbermaid container. Then you're going to take your garlic, and you're going to take, it's a clove of garlic, but since I have minced garlic, it's going to be a teaspoon, because a teaspoon is a clove of garlic. And if you like a little more garlic like I do, I usually add another one to the other side. And then it calls for a head of dill. I don't have any fresh dill, so I am going to use dried dill. And I'm going to give it a 2.5 teaspoons into it, because it asks for 1 teaspoon. And I use the other one, so I don't want to dirty my dill up So as of right now, everything is done. We're just waiting for the brine to boil. And let me clean up and we'll show you what to do next. As you can see, we're starting to get to the boiling point. You don't want to boil it too hard. And don't put your head over the pot while you're doing this, because if you inhale too much vinegar, it will make you cough. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to move the pan over, and we're going to have to let it cool. And then once it cools, we'll finish up our pickles. Now, if your brine has been cooled off, let's go get it so we can finish up these pickles. It's still on the stove top. So what I'm going to do, this is the brine. I got my cucumber spears here with the dill and garlic in them. I'm just going to pour the brine over top. Might have to move your pickles around that you're getting them in the juice, or the brine I should say. Push them down if you have to. Take your lid. Put your lid on the pickles. Then you want to take them and put them in your refrigerator. Now, let them soak. As you can't see me because I'm in the refrigerator right now. Let them soak in the brine for 3 days. And then you'll have your pickle, but the longer you let them go, the more flavor they're going to be enhanced with. So, those were our refrigerated dill pickles. And we're done cooking with cucumbers. So tomorrow we'll be showing you something else that's totally off the wall from doing a regular recipe for the next two. And it's something that will save you money in the end. So come back tomorrow and see my two non-edible recipes. Thank you.